In every release, we are making Windows more secure by default, and today we're going to give you a sneak peek of some of what we've been working on and how Windows powers the future of business. We know that not everyone is ready to transition to passwordless. In the meantime, password phishing is still the top security problem in the world today. It's the thing that keeps CISOs up at night, and we believe that with the power of Windows, we can help. Let me show you how Windows is going to help you while you're on your journey to a passwordless future with enhanced phishing protection for Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Windows 11 will automatically detect whenever you type your Microsoft login password into any application or any website. Windows understands whether the app or site you're typing into is securely authenticating you, and if not, Windows will let you know you're in danger. This is all based on the threat intelligence data we process, 24 trillion signals every 24 hours. We have built-in intelligence into Windows that allows it to differentiate between legitimate websites and applications. For the first time ever, that means that you can know the moment a password has been stolen, and you can protect yourself and your company before that password is used against you. All users get a lot of links in email, Teams, or even on the web. The biggest challenge our users face is that it can be close to impossible to tell whether these links are legitimate or not. Let me show you an example of how this works in Windows 11. In Microsoft Teams, one of my colleagues has added a tab that points directly to a website. In our case, it's our favorite coffee shop, Fourth Coffee, so that we can order coffee for our team events. Strangely, I'm asked to enter my credentials, even though I placed an order just last week, but it's nothing too out of the ordinary, so I'll re-enter my work password to continue. Immediately, I get notified that the app has made an unsafe connection and the incident has been reported to our security operations team. I'm also prompted to change my password. But let's take a look under the hood. Today, more than ever, methods used by attackers have become more sophisticated, many going beyond the browser and are now app-based. They rely on catching users off guard in trusted apps and communications. Now, if I put on my SecOps hat, I'm going to fire up Fiddler, a tool that anyone can download, so I can examine the traffic flow. I'll minimize it, let it run in the background. Let's trace back to when I had the tab in Teams for Fourth Coffee, and I'll check a few things. I'm at the point where I can submit the order, so I'll submit it. This brings me back to the same exact login screen as before. As you can see, it's a pixel for pixel perfect login screen, and it's running inside of the Teams process, which makes it seem trustworthy. Unlike in my browser, I can't see the source destination when I'm in Teams, so there's no real indication of wrongdoing here. So let's take a look at Fiddler. If this is legitimate, I should see traffic direct to login.microsoftonline.com. Instead, it's still going to Fourth Coffee. So for me, it's clear that Fourth Coffee's been hacked. With the increasing sophistication, this attack demonstrates the need for us to provide last-mile protection to users to help decipher what's legitimate and what's not. Especially, we know that not all our users have deep technical skills or security know-how. This is why enhanced phishing protection for Microsoft Defender Smart Screen, built right into Windows 11, is such an important innovation. By leveraging the built-in intelligence in Windows, organizations and their users, as well as people using Windows for their personal use, can now better protect themselves from password phishing while they're on their journey to a passwordless future. This is adding to our incredible security features that are already quantifiably making Windows